What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a high fade on one of my family members, so stay tuned. We're going to be starting off with our Andes T outliners, creating our first guideline, contouring to his head shape. You always want to make sure you contour your guideline so the fade will flow better. Now that we're done budding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Always make sure to stretch the skin with your opposite hand so you can have more room to blend. Now that we're done setting in our guideline, we can close the lever midway and all the way closed to help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now that we're done softening up the line with our one guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Now we're moving on to our two guard all the way open and we're creating our fourth guideline. Remember, we're flicking out and using the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes there's still a faint line after using the 1.5 guard, so switching over to your one guard all the way open using its corners will help you. Remember to flick out once you start getting into the larger guards. Now we're switching over to our clipper over comb method. You always want to make sure when you're going horizontally you're debulking, and when you're going vertically you're blending. I also wasn't able to get the full footage of my clipper over comb method because my camera memory had stopped and it stopped recording. Now that we're done with the sides, we can move on to the back and start off with our no guard all the way open. Remember to close the lever midway and all the way to help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we go switch over to the one guard all the way open. We are nearing the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you spend more time here and is very careful. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Remember, we are near the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you spend more time here. Moving on to the hairline, we're starting off with our Andy's T outliners and we're lining up his vertical bars. There was a little bit of bulk and choppiness, so we reverted back to our clipper over comb method and debulked. Okay, so now we're going to cut the beard down to a 2 guard all the way closed. Now that we're done debulking the beard, we can line up the neckline. Make sure not to press too hard and make sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. I also like to lean my clients back a little bit when I'm doing their beard just so they can rest. Moving on to the blend of the beard, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. Now we're switching over to the 1 guard all the way open since the beard is cut to a 2. Now we're moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, and we're going to make him as crispy as possible. Always make sure you use shave gel. Also, you always want to make sure you stretch the skin and keep your blade at a 45-degree angle. Make sure you apply shave gel everywhere you're going to put the blade, just so it can make it easier on you. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. When doing someone's eyebrows, you also want to make sure you're very gentle and you pull the skin.